People often ask, why? Riding into the darkness, in the freezing cold, it seems odd. But sometimes you just get the urge to escape. Not running away, but just breaking free for a while. It's not about where you're going or what bike you're riding. It's about the feeling. I want to take you to a special part of Denmark, a place where powerful waves meet endless sand beaches. We call it the North Sea. We're in the city, Esbjerg. These statues are known as men at sea. Standing 9 meters tall, they symbolize the connection between humans and the sea. This will be our starting point. From here, we'll head north, staying close to the North Sea and Denmark's west coast. This is a town called Hvide Sande. It's a quiet and peaceful town, surrounded by white sand dunes. These wind turbines are very acknowledged by the locals. They help bring money to the harbor and support the town's growth. Even though trips like these can be cold and sometimes exhausting, there's always something special about experiencing nature in its raw form. All right, let's get going before the darkness sets in. It's funny how nature sometimes has a way of reminding us how small we really are. Let me present the town, Thyborøn. An exceptionally unique town that sits right by the edge of the North Sea. The town is largely known for its significant fishing harbor, delivering about 149,000 tons of fish each year. To head further north, we'll need to take a ferry. Riding in winter brings a special feeling, one that summer can't match. There's something about being out here, alone, in the cold. It's refreshing. We're currently in the town of Hanstholm, a town widely known for its many bunkers. There are around 450 bunkers in this area, and they were all used during World War II. And this is a cannon bunker. In wartime, a massive cannon would rotate in the center of the hold. It could fire up to 55 kilometers into the North Sea. We're on our way to the final destination of this trip. We've been staying close to the North Sea, admiring all the stunning beaches. But there's one thing we haven't done yet. We haven't ridden on the beaches. I think we can all agree that the North Sea is something truly spectacular. But it's also a reminder of nature's strength. It's something to be respected. You don't fool around with it. And with that, we have reached the final destination. And as a storm from the North Sea approaches, I think it's safe to say it's time to go home.